Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Blackbook. Now today one of our student has asked us this question. The coordinates of a point which is at a distance of 1 by root 2 units from the point 1 comma 1 in the direction of the line x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 is. So let me call that point to be P, and P corresponds to, let us say, A comma B. So there is some point 1 comma 1, I will call that point Q, and there is some point P which is also A comma B. Okay, and the distance between these 2 points as noted by them is actually 1 by root 2 units. Okay, but this is in the direction of x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. It means this is your line x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, and both have the same direction. It means the inclination of both of them is same. Basically line PQ and line L both are parallel, so PQ is parallel to L. Now what is slope of L? Slope of L is minus coefficient of x, which is 1, upon coefficient of y, which is 1. So this is minus 1. So slope of PQ is also equal to minus 1, as these are both parallel lines. So slope of PQ is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to minus 1. Therefore B minus 1 is equal to 1 minus A. Therefore A plus B comes out to be equal to 2. Also PQ is given to be 1 by root 2. So we will say PQ is equal to 1 by root 2. Hence I will say PQ square is equal to 1 by 2. So by applying distance formula, we can say that A minus 1 the whole square plus B minus 1 the whole square is equal to 1 by 2. Let us expand this. A square minus 2A plus 1 plus B square minus 2B plus 1 is equal to half. So this will be A square plus B square minus 2 common, A plus B plus 1 2 and half. So A square plus B square can be written as A plus B the whole square minus 2 times AB minus 2 times A plus B plus 2 equal to half. Now instead of A plus B we will put 2. Okay, this is the expansion of A square plus B square. So 2 square will be 4, 4 minus 2AB minus 2 into 2 will be 4 plus 2 equal to half. So 4 gone, and we have 2AB is equal to 2 minus half. So basically we have 2AB is equal to 3 by 2. So therefore AB is equal to 3 by 4. So we have two equations now. The equations are A plus B equal to 2 and AB is equal to, what was it, 3 by 4. AB should be equal to 3 by 4. So we need to find out the values of A and B such that their product is 3 by 4 and their summation is what? Their summation has to be 2. Now that is pretty simple. If we do this, B is equal to, we can say 3 upon 4A, right? B is equal to 3 upon 4A. So basically we have A plus 3 upon 4A is equal to 2. Now that this can be directly solved if we assume A as half. Okay, that is just by observation. You can also make a quadratic equation and solve. We have no problem with that, you will get it. But by skill preparation you can easily get A as half. Just put down A as half. See, you will get this satisfied. This will be half plus 3 by 2. Half plus 3 by 2 comes out to be 4 by 2, which is coming out to be 2. Hence A is equal to half is completely satisfying the solution. So if A is equal to half is satisfying, let us check whether A equal to 3 by 2 also satisfies the condition or not. So definitely it is going to satisfy the condition. 3 upon 4 into 3 by 2. So this will be 3 upon 2 plus 2, and this 3 cancelled, 1 upon 2, which is 4 upon 2, which is 2. So A equal to half and A equal to 3 by 2 both are satisfying this condition. Hence when A is half, you can directly see that B is 3 by 2, and when A is 3 by 2, B is equal to half. So there are two such coordinates one is half comma 3 by 2, one is half comma 3 by 2, and other is 3 by 2 comma half. Both are going to satisfy this particular condition. Hence the correct answer to this question is half comma 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 comma half. See, you can even use quadratic equation solving over here. You are going to get the same answer, but I just did it by observation, so for faster solving of the question. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.